Hi! 100,000 individual people decided that they liked me enough to subscribe. That's kind of a big deal. That's crazy. Of course, not all 100,000 people are going to be here to hear this, but I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here if you are, because that means a lot. And just thinking about it is like, makes me so happy. So for today's video, I thought, why not throw like a little teeny tiny party for just like us though. In reality, it's actually gonna be really sad because it's just gonna be me baking food and eating it by myself. So we're just gonna be doing some baking and just getting to know one another. Actually, it's more like you guys getting to know me because I can't actually talk to you, but I can talk to me. And because everything's about me, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be talking about me because everybody loves talking about themselves. Ew. So yeah, talking is hard. I'm just gonna get to baking now. First things first, we're going to be baking some brownies. All right, let's get started. So this isn't gonna be like a how to make brownies type of video. This is just gonna be me making brownies and you watching, because I feel like I am not educated enough in the arts of baking to be doing tutorials. So yeah, just watch me fail, watch me have a fun time. It's gonna be great. That's it. And get to know me a bit. I'm just following a recipe off my phone. And yeah, I just thought I would say that. Do you care? No. Let's go 10 seconds. 10 seconds! I feel like the first thing that people should know about me is, even though I look 14, I'm actually 19. Surprise! Sugar. I was born on the 7th of June. Yes, my parents named me after my birth month. I'm Nepalese mixed, English mixed Mongolian. So I'm like a little mixed breed, a little mongrel. I'm a mix of everything. You don't really know what I am when you look at me. So yeah, by looking at me, you can't really tell my race. Everybody thinks I'm everything else but Nepalese. So yeah, I thought I'd get that out of the way. What can you expect to see from my channel? At the moment, my channel is like a mix of things, which is what I want it to be. One of my favorite content creators on this platform is Jenna Marbles. I love her so much. She's someone who I really look up to in this YouTube community. And I love what she does. She posts whatever she wants. And you can just kind of tell she loves what she does. And that's kind of what I want to do. I just want to post whatever I want. It could be cooking, it could be makeup related, it could be outfits, it could be me, I don't know, it just could be anything really. Yeah, that's the type of content you can expect to see on this channel. Just pretty much me being a silly little Asian boy. It's just gonna be like a mix of different things. I hope you kind of like that, and if you don't, I don't care, because it's all about me really. I'm kidding. I'm actually kidding. I really do care about your opinion, so.
Add 2 eggs and you're going to mix and...
2 eggs. Wow, sugoi. Ew. Ew, I am so sorry I did that. That was disgusting. Ew. Why am I like this? Like, honestly? Wow, June, you're so good at cracking eggs. I know. Look at that. No shells. Whatever, it's fine if there's some eggshells in there, right? It's just a bit of extra protein, it's fine. I got people on Instagram to ask me some questions, and here I shall be answering some of them. Follow me on Instagram, my @ is at Crees, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, what are you doing? I'm kidding. You should really follow me on there. Just saying, like, we kind of have a good time. Sometimes I do live streams and sometimes I don't, because live streams actually give me anxiety. Hi. So yeah, I'm just gonna be answering. Shut up. I'm just gonna be answering the most like frequently asked questions. Okay, are you single or taken? See, I am very single, painfully single. No, I love being single. I don't thinking about being in a relationship right now just kind of like makes me like ew, no, I don't want that right now. I'm very happy being single. Like, you gotta love yourself first before you can love others. That's stupid. I'm actually happy about being single. I love it. I don't plan on dating anytime soon. To focus on my self-growth first and blossom into... Shut up. No one cares. But yeah. How tall am I? I am 5'4". Next question. I don't have a 1/3 cup measurement, so we're just gonna go for half a cup. Half a cup should be fine. Yep, that looks about right. Do you live alone? No, I live with my parents, mentally and physically. I am 14. I cannot imagine myself living alone. I mean, I kind of can, but then at the same time, I feel like I would just be lost without my parents. So for the time being, I feel like I'm not mature enough to move out of home. Plus, you kind of need to have money to do that, and I am so poor. Oh my goodness. So I'm looking for a sugar daddy. So any sugar daddies out there who just kind of want to slide into my DMs, I'm saying that. I'm kidding. Don't actually. I want to make my own coin. Okay, bit much. It's fine. I feel like with baking, you should be a bit precise with ingredients, but it's me, so. Shut up, Junior, not even funny. Oh, it's kind of good. How much is 1/4? That should do. What's your favorite anime? My favorite anime is Hunter x Hunter. Her mixture looks a lot more watery than mine. The fact that it's not budging, not even budging, is, don't think that's a good sign. So I'm gonna add some milk to that. Why don't you post a lot? Well, in the past, the reason as to why I wouldn't post a lot was because sometimes this would get to me a bit. So yeah, that's the reason why. Okay, I'm gonna add some chocolate chips to it, because what are brownies without chocolate chips? Seriously.
Go crazy! Go stupid!
That looks about enough. What are my plans for the future? Am I in uni? What are you doing, June? Currently, I'm working at a cafe. I don't plan on going to uni, and I don't really know what else I want to do apart from social media. So if this doesn't work out for me, she is looking thick. Thick. Ew. Ew. I really did not like the way I said that. Oh. Oh, that is so good. All right. Yes, I am good. I love myself. She's complete. Yay. I'm gonna put her in the oven for half an hour now, and maybe we'll make a cake. Do you want some cake? Cause I want some cake. Let's make some cake. We're gonna be making some cake now, but I'm going to be taking the lazy route, and I'll be using cake mixture. Yeah, I know it's not the same as cake made from scratch, but we made brownies from scratch, and that's about all my effort used up. Why did you start your YouTube channel? I was bored and YouTube seemed like such a fun thing. I was also very obsessed with Bethany Moda at the time. I was like 14 or 13 when I wanted to start my channel. I didn't start my channel until a few years later, but the motivation behind my YouTube channel was Bethany Moda, and it just looked like fun what she was doing, and now I enjoy creating my own content. So yeah, where are you from? I am from Australia. Why did I say it like that? Disgusting. Do I read the Bible? For real, though. That's the only reading I do for the moment. I used to be such a bookworm when I was younger, but I don't know why I stopped reading. Like, I genuinely loved reading so much. I would read, oh my goodness, I was such a little bookworm. I should probably start that up again, honestly. This is hurting. This hurts my arms. That was kind of cool. I think I'm gonna make it pink. I love pink, I love pink. Honestly, one of my favorite colors, if anybody wants to know, my favorite color is orange and pink. Oh, oh wow, yeah, that's way too much. That's all right, it's fine, mate. The cake is now complete. I've just let it cool down, and now it's time for the fun part. Yay! Now what? If this is not the saddest thing you've ever seen, then I don't know what is. This might look extremely sad, but I'm having a great time. I have cake, I have brownie, I have balloons, and guess who doesn't? That's right, you. You don't have any cake. Ah, funny. Are you feeling better? Some videos ago, I remember you felt very anxious. You seem happier. It's because I am. How are you so cute? And advice for new YouTubers. First of all, thank you. I know something that prevented me from starting my YouTube channel earlier was fear of what others would think. And fear of what others would say about my channel, because a lot of people in my hometown knew about my YouTube channel, and that fear always held me back. But once I pushed aside that fear and was like, you know what? Who even cares? Me caring about how they think is just holding me back from my potential future, you know, if that makes sense. So I was like, you know what? But so I was like, you know what, I don't care, or at least I'm gonna pretend like I don't, and I'm just gonna do what I want to do. And I did, and now we're here. Just do it. Again, I just wanted to say another thank you to all the people who decided to join me on this YouTube journey. It really does mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'm just excited for the future, and I hope you are too. I will see you in my next video. Bye!